Hello, all of you out there. Today I'm here just to show you about the Haynes service and repair manual for the Yamaha, exclusively for the XTZ750, which is a bike I actually like a lot. Talking about the Haynes manuals, well, they have been around for many years now. From 1960, they cover more than 300 cars and around 160 motorcycles, which is a lot, but not all of the models that have existed. So you will not be able to find every motorcycle here. Now, talking about this Yamaha manual, I want to say this is not the original Yamaha manual. However, it contains way too excellent information here. So we have, first of all, the contents here, a brief history of the Yamaha brand, and then focused on the bikes that come in the manual. Very important, you will be able to find identification numbers and where to find them as well, which is, well, very specific. Is the good thing about these manuals. They are so specific. You will find basically everything you need. So when it comes to maintaining and repairing your beloved Yamaha XTZ750 Super Tenere, the Haynes Service Manual and Repair proves to be a valuable companion. This comprehensive manual is designed to assist both seasoned and mechanical enthusiasts. Most likely is a very big help with many pros. It has detailed information and instructions. So step by step, you will be able to find, for example, when to go to specific services after a specific amount of time or distance, right? It has illustrative diagrams, pictures of very good quality that will point out where you have to go and what you have to do. It's a model specific manual, so you will be able to find here 3 different motorcycles, which will be the TDM, the TRX, and the XTZ. So in case you want to replace your 750 engine for an 851, you will be able to find here information of both, right? So that's good. Also, it comes with troubleshooting tips. So the manual will give you and will show you how to diagnose common issues. It will provide potential solutions and workarounds. Very important as well. It has these graphics which say the difficulty of the process you have to follow. Warnings in case you need to know some important information, and also, as said before, maintenance schedules for the different models. Okay, so again, everything is so detailed. You will also complement this with videos in internet. One example here for maintenance is that every 42,000 kilometers you will need to clear the valves. If you notice, it only has 3 keys of difficulty, which means you can do it by yourself. Now here it says the degrees of difficulty. Also, it will have all the torque settings, which is also found in the original manual. Here you can find all that. Pictures, most of them are black and white, not necessarily needed to be in color. And again, all the details and also parts in case you need to find some of them. I will just keep going through. There is also some cons about these manuals. Sometimes the complexity, right? While the manual strives to be accessible to a wide audience, some of the repair procedures covered may still be daunting for beginners. So you will need a mechanic in order to help some problems, some issues. Okay. Also, it has, well, it lacks any digital resources. This is a hard printed copy. Also, hardcover, very good quality. And the updates, depending on the models, they will be different. As an example, well, the T7, which came recently, obviously you will not find information for that motorcycle here, because it's specific for this model. Okay? So I keep going through, and as a conclusion, we can say that the Haynes service and repair manual, in this case the 3540, is a commendable resource for this kind of bike. Okay. The owners, in my case, we seek to maintain, repair, and troubleshoot the motorcycle, might find it very, very helpful. So again, we can have more confidence when doing any kind of a mechanical job here, with all the instructions, and also get some help from videos and stuff, right? In my case, I recommend to have this manual handling. If I have had the bike for 8 years around, if I would have had the chance to purchase this manual before, I would have done it for sure. So if you're just about to get the bike, or you just have had it for several years now, any of you should have the manual if you are going to keep the bike. Look at this at the end. You have all the wiring diagrams, which is very, very helpful for the different models. Here we have also the features, the right dimensions and weight for, in this case, for this, for all the models, the XTZ, the DRX, the TDM, the two types of TDM. Well, this is something you can find on the internet, of course. However, it is useful to have it in here. See, you have here the maintenance and minor repair tools, and also some special tools you might need to have. Some other useful tips and tools at the end in color. So this was the introduction to the manual. You can find it in eBay, or any, I believe, in Amazon as well, right? So if you're going to purchase the manual, or whatever you're doing with your bike, hope to have good luck.